Question number 4. A sports car is accelerated from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3 seconds. Okay, 0. This is U. This is 100 km per hour is V, and this is time t. What is the acceleration of the car? Acceleration of the car is given by V minus U divided by t. Now V is 100 km per hour. Let us do it separately here. 100 km per hour is equal to 100 multiplied by 5 by 18. 5 by 18. When I do this, I get this as 500 divided by 18. So this should be 500 by 18 minus 0 divided by 3, which should be equal to how much? 500 divided by 18 into 3 is 3 8s are 24, 2 3 1s are 354. So this is nearly 500 by 54. How much will this be? So let me use my calculator to get it clearly. 500 divided by 54 will be 9.259, which is around 9.2. 9.2 here. Meter per second square. Now what is given here in terms of G? Okay, in terms of G, it is given. What is the value of G? Usually, G value is equal to 10 over here. If it is 10, because 9.8 or 10 you can take, 0.9 would be 0.9 times 10. 0.9 times 10 would be 9 over here. So now you see, this cannot be the answer. 10 into 0.1 would be 1. No. 10 into 0.3 would be no. 10 into 0.9 would be nearly 9 over here. And 3 times G, 3 times 10 would be 30 over here. So therefore, none of these are correct, and only this is very much nearby to it. Okay, so I got 9 here, this is 9.2 here. I think this is the closest answer. So answer is C is the right answer. Okay, according to the marking scheme also, it is C here. So sometimes you need to solve problems like this also.